Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Pycharm and Python. If you already installed Python and only want to install Pycharm, and don't worry, you can follow the simple steps to install Pycharm in this video. I have made another video on Python installation. The link is given in the description and in the top right corner of this video. You must watch this video. So we are going in the beginning to install Pycharm, and in the process of installation, it will actually detect automatically if you have already installed Python, so you don't have to install it again. Before we jump into the process, I want to clear that this guide is only for Windows user. Now the first thing you have to do is open Google Chrome. I'm opening this, and type here Pycharm download and press enter. Here you can see different sites are available. The first one is professional, the second one is community edition. You must like to install professional, but here we are strict to install community edition. Just right click on this and opens. Here you can see different versions are available for Linux, Windows and Mac OS. Click on Windows, and in the top right corner you can see a pop-up appears with the installation start process. So wait a moment until the installation is completed. I could have fast forward the video so that we don't have wait too much. When the installation is completed, just right click and opens the folder and opens Pycharm IDE by double click on this. And you can see a small window appears with the installation setup. Just click on next, and here this is the default location where your Pycharm IDE is installed. Just click on next, and here you can click on this option and in this one option to create shortcut on desktop. Now the Python 3.8, 3.7, click on these options and click on next. So this is the default name of your file. You can change as you want. I'm naming it Pycharm IDE and click on install. When installation is completed, click on finish. So the Pycharm is successfully installed. Just double click on this and opens it. If you have opened this for first time, he can say privacy policy, and you can read this as you want for information. Just click on continue, and here you can see data sharing, not enable this, and it's opening. It took some time. Now welcome to Pycharm. Click on plus to install to start a new project. Here you can set up your folder and project location. So you can see these settings and just click on start, and it's installing some important features, some environments necessary for your code. So wait. Now I'm removing this and type here for your first program. I'm just type here print, and in the small brackets I can type code with Rosa. That's my channel name, YouTube channel name, and code with Rosa print, and click on play, and you can see code with Rosa is written. It means Pycharm is successfully installed. You can see here in the search bar, type Pycharm, and you can see Pycharm files. So if you like this video, you have to subscribe my channel, share it with your friends. Goodbye.